Question number 6. Prove that. Example number 3. Square root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Now here LHS, here denominator, but in RHS denominator is absent. Denominator is absent, but here denominator is present. Now first of all we will eliminate denominator by taking conjugate pair of denominator. First I will write here LHS. See this carefully. LHS is equal to, see this, LHS 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Did you understand? Now we take conjugate pair of denominator. Means when here 1 plus sin theta, then conjugate pair is 1 minus sin theta. And by taking that conjugate pair, we multiply to numerator and denominator by same conjugate pair. Multiply to this numerator and denominator by same conjugate pair. Therefore, see this, LHS is equal to square root of 1 minus sin theta original and conjugate pair we write here 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, conjugate pair of denominator. Same way we write at denominator 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is conjugate pair of denominator. Therefore, we write here LHS is equal to, see this carefully. Now you have studied identities A minus B into A minus B means A minus B bracket square, means we write here 1 minus sin theta bracket square, 2 times multiplied, no? 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta means 2 times. No, same number 2 times. So we write A into A square. No, 2 into 2, 2 square. Same way, 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta means 1 minus sin theta bracket square. Now you have known about A plus B into A minus B identity. A plus B into A minus B means A square minus B square. Same here, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta means 1 square 1 minus sin square theta. Did you understand? Now see carefully. I will write here formula for your proper understanding or for your convenience. See here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now see this, 1 minus sin square theta. So we take this sin square theta to the right side. Therefore, we obtain cos square theta is equal to, we take this sin square theta to the right side, means this sin square theta becomes minus, means 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, means instead of this bracket we put there cos square theta. Did you understand? Now see this. Next here we put this, see here, instead of this only we put cos square theta. Therefore LHS is equal to square root of 1 minus sin theta bracket square upon cos square theta. Instead of 1 minus sin square theta, we put cos square theta. This is formula. This is formula. Therefore, series LHS is equal to this square and this square root cancelled. Therefore, remaining 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Did you understand? Now this denominator we give separately. We give separately or distribute separately to 1 and sin theta. Therefore, we distribute it. Series 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to, I have given formula 1 upon cos theta means what is sec theta, and I have given formula for this sin theta upon cos theta means tan theta. This is our RHS.